Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is JavaScript. JavaScript plays a key role especially in building Visualforce pages, lightning components and enhancing the Salesforce UI/UX. Visualforce allows developers to use JavaScript to enhance the functionality of Visualforce pages in Salesforce. By combining JavaScript with Visualforce, we can create dynamic interactive pages that respond to user inputs in real time without needing to refresh the page. In Visualforce pages, JavaScript is often used to enhance user interaction, validate input, handle events, or call Salesforce APIs. Use case of JavaScript in Visualforce: form validation, asynchronous data fetching, interactive enhancements such as dynamic hide or show elements, handling events like button clicks, integrating third-party libraries like jQuery. Example: let's see an example that demonstrates a simple Visualforce page with JavaScript which shows an alert message when a button is clicked. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Visualforce page we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. To create the Visualforce page we need to click on file, new, Visualforce page. So I am creating the page by the name Visualforce JavaScript. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, page, Apex form. In Apex form, Apex command button, value, click me, and we are calling on click equals show alert method, and here in script type text oblique JavaScript function we are using show alert button clicked. Then we are closing the curly brace script and Apex page. Save the file and click on preview button. So here we are seeing there is a button click me. So I am clicking on this. So we are getting a alert message button clicked. So in the real time scenarios we are getting like this. By clicking on save button we have to display like the record saved successfully, this type of message. So for that we have to use like this only. Thank you.